What's up, YouTube? Back with another review with the Half Decent Food channel. Today I am reviewing the KitchenSmith mini chopper or tiny food processor. I got this for $9 and I just wanted to make some salsa and see how it came out with it. I unboxed it, pretty simple, straightforward to open that bad boy up. Just plug and play straight into the wall, you know, and I wanted to test it out with a little salsa. I made a quick little 3 tomato salsa. I have a video up on how to do it, except this time I switched out the garlic for 1/4 of an onion. Came out fire. And I was really surprised with this product that I got for $9.99. I love chiles martajados, which is done with like a mortar, I think it's called in English, a molcajete. I don't know if it's called a mortar, I might have made that up. A molcajete, though, it's like a stone type of bowl that you have another piece of stone to muddle your vegetables up with and make a special kind of salsa that's really traditional to Mexico. And this food chopper kind of gives off that imitation molcajete because it leaves it nice and chunky. Look at that, you know, just how you want it, just how, you know, well, not exactly like, but very similar to how it should be. And I was surprised with it. In the video, you know, I just tried it on a chip and, you know, it was good. But once I threw it on my breakfast and actually enjoyed that, woof. All right, so this video was just to be a quick review on this food processor I got for $10. And I have to say, I do recommend it. It's more than half decent. Left that salsa pretty well chopped up, but not like a blender, so it gives that off that martajado look. Look at that. You see that? Fire. Tastes more than half decent.